Hello friends, with TCS Code Vita Season 9 contest just 20 days away from this date, we thought we can gather some very frequently asked questions and important topics or concepts which are covered in previous Code Vita events. And this information is gathered referring to multiple sources at one place. So we assume this will definitely help you. Very quickly, I hope you all know that TCS Code Vita is a 6-hour contest and 6 questions will be given, and as per the information available, 2 will be easy questions, 2 will be medium questions, and 2 will be difficult questions. Here we made an attempt to cover all those questions under different headings. So without wasting time, let us start. Frequently asked concepts or questions in TCS Code Vita: prime factorization, LCM, HCF, Fibonacci series, matrix rotation, pattern printing, strings. So these come under basic questions asked, and for complex questions, binary search tree, sorting, problems on dynamic programming. So these are at next level. So these are very, very important topics, friends. I suggest you, please do hands-on practice. Please don't just refer to multiple sources and invest your time more on understanding a concept. But with less time available, we suggest you please do hands-on practice. So you can very quickly go through all the questions given here: max flow problem, segment trees, bit masking DP, so etc. I hope you can spend your time reading these questions. Yeah, chess notations, last topic, chess notations. Till 2017 Code Vita, these questions were repeated multiple times is what was said. And regarding important topics, we have divided in these topics under different subheadings. So you can just see the topics. Under maths, it is we have sieve of Eratosthenes, modular exponentiation, prime factorization, GCD, LCM factorials, NCR modulo M, modular inverse, Fibonacci series. And under fundamental algorithms, we have binary search, sorting using comparators and custom data structures, pattern matching, DFS, BFS, and standard implementation, matrix rotation, array transformations, pattern printing, pattern finding, standard recursion and dynamic programming, coin sum, subset sum, knapsack, bin cost path, DFS with memorization, DFS in matrices. Yes, these are also important, very, very important. These topics are found very frequently asked. And in data structures is very, very important, guys. Strings, stacks, queues, priority queues, sets, hash maps, bit integers. Let me tell you very clearly, irrespective of whatever the language you code in, you need to know how to apply data structures. So this is a very, very basic and very, very important. So friends, these are the topics which we could gather. So hope this video helps you. In my next video, I'll give you some tips, because reading some comments, we understood that you're expecting some tips. So taking input from our technical team, we will try to accumulate the tips which might help you to do well in TCS Code Vita contest. Happy learning. Thank you.